Nothing brightens your home and your day like Solatube daylighting systems. So to make it easy to bring outside light in, we developed a network of premier dealers who will guide you to the ideal daylighting design for your home and provide acclaimed installation service. You can visit a beautiful showroom to see all the available Solatube daylighting products and options in action. Or our manufacturer-certified installation consultants, the only daylighting experts who are factory trained and certified on all Solatube products, can come to you. They'll help you pick out the right size system and location, the decorative fixture and diffuser styles, and the various accessory options that fit your particular needs. Perhaps most importantly, your installation experience with Solatube Premier Dealers is created to be totally stress-free, starting with the highest performing products, installation expertise on all roof types, and no structural modifications to your home. Our Premier Dealers use a simple and efficient process to save you both time and money. You make one call, work with one consultant, and you can have installation completed, often all in the same day. In fact, in as little as 2 hours. And all backed by the Solatube Premier Dealer warranty, which means total confidence for you. So call us now to find a Premier Dealer near you and get a no-obligation in-home consultation.
Thank you for calling Solatube. How can we brighten your day?